Surah Sajda, the prostration. This surah is Meccan, containing 3 sections and 30 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
ألف لام ميم.
Alif Lam Mim.
تنزيل الكتاب لا ريب فيه من رب العالمين.
The revelation of the book is indeed from the Lord of all the worlds.
أم يقولون افتراه بل هو الحق من ربك لتنذر قوما ما أتاهم من نذير من قبلك لعلهم يهتدون.
Do they say this prophet has invented it, the Quran? Rather, it is the truth from your Lord, that you warn the nation to whom no warner has come before you with this hope, that they attain guidance.
الله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض وما بينهما في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش ما لكم من دونه من ولي ولا شفيع أفلا تتذكرون.
Allah is He who created the heavens and the earth and all that lies between them in 6 days. Then He performed istawah upon the throne as befits His greatness. Other than Him, there is neither a helper nor an intercessor for you. Do you not contemplate?
يدبر الأمر من السماء إلى الأرض ثم يعرج إليه في يوم كان مقداره 1000 سنة مما تعدون.
He plans every matter from the sky to the earth. Then it will return to Him on the day which is 1,000 years by your calculation.
ذلك عالم الغيب والشهادة العزيز الرحيم.
This is Allah, the knower of every concealed and apparent matter, the most exalted, the most merciful.
الذي أحسن كل شيء خلقه وبدأ خلق الإنسان من طين.
He who created everything with excellence, and He originated man from clay.
ثم جعل نسله من سلالة من ماء مهين.
Then He created his progeny from the essence of an insignificant fluid.
ثم سواه ونفخ فيه من روحه وجعل لكم السمع والأبصار والأفئدة قليلا ما تشكرون.
Then He proportioned him and blew a soul into him from His court, and He created your ears and your eyes and your hearts. You express very little gratitude.
وقالوا أإذا ضللنا في الأرض أإنا لفي خلق جديد بل هم بلقاء ربهم كافرون.
And they said, when we become lost in the earth as dust, will we be created in a new form? In fact, they deny the meeting of their Lord.
قل يتوفاكم ملك الموت الذي وكل بكم ثم إلى ربكم ترجعون.
Say, the angel of death who has been appointed over you takes your souls. Then you will be returned to your Lord.
ولو ترى إذ المجرمون ناكسوا رؤوسهم عند ربهم ربنا أبصرنا وسمعنا فارجعنا نعمل صالحا إنا موقنون.
And if you could somehow see when the wrongdoers will have their heads bowed submissively in the court of their Lord, O our Lord, we have seen and heard, so return us that we may do righteous deeds. Undoubtedly, we are certain.
ولو شئنا لآتينا كل نفس هداها ولكن حق القول مني لأملأن جهنم من الجنة والناس أجمعين.
And had we willed, we would certainly have given every soul its guidance. However, the word from me has been decreed that I shall most definitely fill hell with jinn and mankind together.
فذوقوا بما نسيتم لقاء يومكم هذا إنا نسيناكم وذوقوا عذاب الخلد بما كنتم تعملون.
So taste the results of this, that you forgot the meeting of this day of yours. We have abandoned you, and taste the eternal punishment due to what you used to do.
إنما يؤمن بآياتنا الذين إذا ذكروا بها خروا سجدا وسبحوا بحمد ربهم وهم لا يستكبرون.
Only those who believe in our signs, who, when they are advised through them, fall prostrate and glorify Allah with the praise of their Lord, and they do not resort to arrogance.
تتجافى جنوبهم عن المضاجع يدعون ربهم خوفا وطمعا ومما رزقناهم ينفقون.
Their sides remain away from the places of rest, and they call upon their Lord in fear and hope, and they spend in charity from what we have granted them.
فلا تعلم نفس ما أخفي لهم من قرة أعين جزاء بما كانوا يعملون.
So no soul knows what comfort of the eyes has been concealed for them as recompense for their deeds.
أفمن كان مؤمنا كمن كان فاسقا لا يستوون.
So will the believer become like the evildoer? They are not equal.
أما الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فلهم جنات المأوى نزلا بما كانوا يعملون.
As for those who believed and performed righteous deeds, for them are gardens of residence as hospitality for their deeds.
وأما الذين فسقوا فمأواهم النار كلما أرادوا أن يخرجوا منها أعيدوا فيها وقيل لهم ذوقوا عذاب النار الذي كنتم به تكذبون.
As for those who disobeyed, so their abode is the fire. Whenever they will desire to come out of it, they will be turned back therein, and it will be said to them, taste the torment of the fire which you used to deny.
وَلَنُذِيقَنَّهُم مِّنَ الْعَذَابِ الْأَدْنَىٰ دُونَ الْعَذَابِ الْأَكْبَرِ لَعَلَّهُمْ يَرْجِعُونَ.
And we shall most definitely make them taste the lesser punishment before the greater punishment, that perhaps they will refrain.
وَمَنْ أَظْلَمُ مِمَّن ذُكِّرَ بِآيَاتِ رَبِّهِ ثُمَّ أَعْرَضَ عَنْهَا إِنَّا مِنَ الْمُجْرِمِينَ مُنْتَقِمُونَ.
And who is a greater oppressor than he who is given advice through verses of his Lord? Then he turns away from them. We take retribution from the wrongdoers.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا مُوسَى الْكِتَابَ فَلَا تَكُنْ فِي مِرْيَةٍ مِّن لِقَائِهِ وَجَعَلْنَاهُ هُدًى لِبَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ.
We granted Musa the book, so be not in doubt regarding his meeting, and we made it guidance for the children of Israel.
وَجَعَلْنَا مِنْهُمْ أَئِمَّةً يَهْدُونَ بِأَمْرِنَا لَمَّا صَبَرُوا وَكَانُوا بِآيَاتِنَا يُوقِنُونَ.
And when they adopted patience, we made leaders among them who would guide with our command, and they were certain of our verses.
إِنَّ رَبَّكَ هُوَ يَفْصِلُ بَيْنَهُمْ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ فِيمَا كَانُوا فِيهِ يَخْتَلِفُونَ.
Your Lord will decide between them on the day of judgment, regarding the matters about which they were disputing.
أَوَلَمْ يَهْدِ لَهُمْ كَمْ أَهْلَكْنَا مِنْ قَبْلِهِمْ مِنَ الْقُرُونِ يَمْشُونَ فِي مَسَاكِنِهِمْ إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَاتٍ أَفَلَا يَسْمَعُونَ.
And did this not guide them that we have destroyed many nations before them in whose abodes they now walk? In this are signs. Do you not listen?
أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا أَنَّا نَسُوقُ الْمَاءَ إِلَى الْأَرْضِ الْجُرُزِ فَنُخْرِجُ بِهِ زَرْعًا تَأْكُلُ مِنْهُ أَنْعَامُهُمْ وَأَنْفُسُهُمْ أَفَلَا يُبْصِرُونَ.
Did they not see that we sent water towards the barren land? Then with it we bring forth crops from which their animals and they themselves eat. Do you not see?
وَيَقُولُونَ مَتَى هَذَا الْفَتْحُ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
And they said, when will this verdict come to pass if you are truthful?
قُلْ يَوْمَ الْفَتْحِ لَا يَنْفَعُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا إِيمَانُهُمْ وَلَا هُمْ يُنظَرُونَ.
say, on the day of the verdict, the disbelievers accepting faith will not benefit them, and they will not be granted respite.
فأعرض عنهم وانتظر إنهم منتظرون.
So turn away from them and wait. Surely they are waiting too.